today, but really we're happy to engage with local stakeholders, and this is what we're going to do here in Madrid. Let me introduce myself, the Internet Society, and then INET. My name is Frédéric Donck, and I'm the director of the European Regional Bureau of the Internet Society. I'm based in Brussels. What is the Internet Society for those among you who would not know us? The Internet Society, that's just a sentence. The Internet is for everybody. This is our mission. We strive for an open Internet. We strive for open standards, open governance, open processes, really for the good of mankind. The organization is backed by more than 55,000 members, nearly 90 chapters around the world, and 130 organization members. We have 5 regional bureaus in Africa, in Asia, in Latin America, in North America, and in Europe, in Brussels. We work at the intersection of policy, standards, and development. Policy. I can't think of any organization, institution in the world where ISOC is not a recognized expert. The OECD, ITU, UN, European Union, and many others regional institutions in the world. Standards. We are home to the IETF and the IAB. You know that the IETF is the Internet standardization body that deal with Internet protocols and standards. Development. We engage in many activities in developing countries and have led several tech capacity building seminars for engineers around the world to help them connecting to the global Internet. So today we will have the chance to discuss one of the major challenge to the Internet, a key issue, copyright infringement on the Internet. It's really key here in Spain, in Europe, and worldwide. And we have the chance, and I look forward to it, to have high-level experts here in Spain, and I look forward to hear them discussing those issues. We take that very seriously in the Internet Society. Copyright infringement really are one of those debates that might have key impact on the Internet and the openness of the Internet. Why? First, let me recall that the Internet is driven by users. This is one of the key features of the Internet, the user centricity. So what it is that the user wants? User want to access content from wherever they are located in the world. User want to back up their content in the cloud. User want to consume content on any device at any time of their choosing. Users want to mashups for parody and for political or other critique. So what do we do with this? And I look forward to the discussion of today about those issues. Secondly, and as importantly, when it's about copyright infringement or pedopornography or all issues actually that might impact population and civil society, we can see many attempts by governments to actually try to regulate the Internet in order to solve those issues. So what we have to say is we should first look at issues in the offline world before actually jumping on the Internet. Adding to that the Internet does not distinguish between lawful and unlawful content, and there is no truly uniform copyright law. What is illegal here might be legal there, and this is a huge problem. So no coincidence that some people, some governments, some industry might be quite nervous about that, and they are tempted by knee-jerk reactions, and that doesn't help. That doesn't help at all. I would invite you to check the study, the survey that Internet Society released last year, and it's called Perspective on Policy Response to Online Copyright Infringement. You will be amazed. You will see all the bad ideas that you can have actually been used by governments around the world. Traffic shaping, blocking, filtering, DNS manipulation, and even suspension of internet access, and this is the famous 3 strikes kind of legislation. And we have shown in this survey how useless and or detrimental it is for the Internet itself, for the Internet freedom, for freedom of speech, and for privacy. Again, we have documented this in many ways. Let me focus on DNS blocking, for example, which is so far one of the most used tools around the world to try to regulate and solve copyright infringement. First, DNS blocking, well, that is easily circumvented. User can simply use IP addresses instead of DNS names, or domain names, sorry. It doesn't solve the problem. Filtering or blocking does not remove the illegal content. You can create another domain. It causes lots of collateral damages. Blocking access to a single Wikipedia article might block millions of other articles that are perfectly legal. And then, and last but not least, very important message to many different stakeholders that, yes, civil society, the technical community, businesses, government, all have a say in the internet governance. But let's be careful. There will be other SOPA, other PIPA, other ACTA in different formats. This will come back. So we really need to remain very cautious and very open to what is happening, and again showing very strongly that we want to see and defend the internet as it is, meaning an open platform for everybody to use and access. And again, a multi-stakeholder engagement is key here, and this is precisely what we're going to do today. And I'm really happy that we are able to organize a platform with different views, different positions, because in the internet society, we believe that when people are talking and understand each other better, that is the key to solve issues, including issues on the internet. So, with this, I wish you and I wish us a great day and a great conference. I will open the floor in a few minutes to Andrea Vea, who is the chair of the Spanish chapters. Let me just give you some housekeeping items. First, there is a hashtag for those of you who want to Twitter, and I would invite you to do so in order to spread the word. The hashtag is INET Madrid. It changed.
To 12, INET 12 finally, because it was having some problems and we said INET 12. 1, 2. Yeah.
Really?
Yes. they told me
Just no? Okay, so I trust you. So we discussed, so finally it will be INET 12 for INET 2012. And also I would like to welcome those who won't be able to participate here, but who will participate remotely. We have opened this to many chapters and many individual members in the world. I would again like to thank Jolly Macfield, who is behind his computer from New York today. It's Jolly, it's 4 o'clock in the morning for you, so thanks a lot for allowing this. And again, I welcome the remote participant to design. It's really crucial for us that people also are able to participate to design it. With this, I shall pass the floor to you, Andrea. Thank you, and I wish you a wonderful event today. Thank you.